Welcome to Airtable. Airtable is a flexible collaboration platform. Whether you're enhancing the viewing experience for your broadcast network or improving the member journey for your music streaming platform, Airtable can help you optimize the entire user research process. With Airtable, you can plan testing sessions, organize feedback, and synthesize learnings, all in one place. This is an Airtable base, your centralized tool for UX research. This is where you can keep all of your information relating to user insights, testing sessions, product areas, and participants. Separating each of these into different tables gives you the space to expand on their own unique details. For example, the Insights table contains the individual pieces of feedback collected from your studies. It includes a unique numerical ID for the insight, along with its contents, overall sentiment, stage in the user lifecycle, and more. Information about the testing sessions can be found in this table. It contains details like the type of test, the researcher, the date, and a link to the transcript. The product area table includes the date of the most recent study referencing the area, along with the overall percentages of negative and positive feedback received so far. And finally, the participants table contains details like LinkedIn profiles and contact information. We've separated these into different tables because they each have their own set of specific details that should be preserved. However, we can easily connect information from across tables. For example, let's connect this piece of feedback to its corresponding session. Now, the session's details are organized separately in its own table, but you can still take a quick peek at them here if you need to. Remember, everything you see here is entirely customizable, so it's easy to change the structure of your base as your workflow evolves. For example, if you want to rate a session, simply create a new rating field. Or, if you're running a new type of test, just add it to the existing drop-down menu. With Airtable, you can empower your team to instantly create the perfect tool for their needs. In Airtable, you can easily hone in on the right information for the right time. Views let you customize and save the settings you need for your various work streams. For example, if you wanted to view feedback by its stage in the user journey, you can group everything by this field. Or, if you only wanted to see feedback related to a certain product area, like audio, just add a filter. Filters update automatically, so this view will always remain current. Streamline information collection with a custom form. As your team reviews testing sessions, they can isolate and submit individual insights using this form. Submissions are automatically added to your base, so you can reference them instantly. Then, try using a Kanban view to organize and classify the newly submitted insights. Tag them with their corresponding sentiment by dragging them into the right column. And remember, any changes you make in one view are instantly reflected in every view. You can also build team or personal views to help everyone focus on the information that's most relevant to them. For example, check out Pierre's view, which is filtered to only show the testing sessions that he's leading. Or, if you'd prefer to view the sessions according to their dates, try creating an interactive calendar. By creating different views, your team can organize and analyze their data exactly how they like, and you're free to edit or create new views as your workflow evolves. If you want to discuss something with your team, no need to switch apps. Send messages right where the work happens, in Airtable. Plus, any changes that are made are instantly saved and synced across all devices. Want to achieve even more with Airtable? Check out Airtable Blocks, a growing library of tools that references and enhances your information. For example, try adding a chart block to analyze user sentiment about various parts of the user journey. Or add a powerful search block to your base that you can embed anywhere, effectively creating your own search engine for your insights. The Page Designer block pulls information from your base to autofill a template, so it's perfect for creating reports that you can then present to stakeholders. Blocks are responsive to your base, so any changes you make here will instantly be reflected here. And in the Blocks pane, you can build unique dashboards for different purposes, like reporting and communication. With Airtable, you have a tool that's flexible enough to fit your processes and powerful enough to be a single source of truth. Try using Airtable for your UX research today.